So let's start with today's lovely spinach and garlic recipe. Now here I've taken two bunches of spinach leaves, pluck the leaves out, and I'm going to soak it in some water to which I've added a little bit of salt for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then I'm going to, rinse the leaves really well in a colander. And I'm going to let all the water drain out and let the leaves, just wash the leaves really nice and clean. This is very important with leafy vegetables. You need to really, wash them really well. So now I've just put them in a colander and let all the water seep out. And then I'm going to put them in my pressure pan with about 1 cup of water, and I'm going to pressure cook it for just one whistle on high, and then turn off the heat on the pressure pan. And then when the pressure pan cools down, this is what the spinach looks like. So just keep it for one whistle, don't overcook it. Now we're going to drain out all the water. We're going to use the water for either making a chapati dough or something, but we're just going to use only only the leaves, and we're going to pulse them to make a nice thick puree like this. So our spinach puree or our palak puree is all ready. Now here in a pan, I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon of oil. This is a super simple recipe. And once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add 1 medium-sized onion chopped fine. I'm going to saute the onion till it is nice and translucent. So I also have a video of how I, clean and store my palak leaves or spinach leaves. I'll leave a link to that video below so you can watch that. Now I'm just going to add about a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now if you're making the paste at home, just use 1 inch of ginger and about 4 large cloves of garlic, and make a nice fine puree like this. Now mix the onions and the ginger garlic really well till all the rawness of the ginger and garlic goes away. Now I'm going to sprinkle about a teaspoon of kasuri methi. So this is easily available in stores. It's dried methi leaves. So just add that. That elevates the flavor of this dish really well. And this kasuri methi really goes well with any spinach or palak dish. Now I have many other palak recipes or spinach recipes. I'll leave the links to all of that in the description box below. You can just click on the link to go to the particular recipe. Like I have palak cheese paratha, I have palak paneer. So I'll leave all those recipes down in the description box below. So now saute all of this really, really well. And you'll get this beautiful aroma of the ginger, the garlic, the onions, and the kasuri methi. Now once this is all nicely sauteed, we're going to add our spinach puree that we just made. Now pulse it to a really fine puree like this. And then we're going to just mix everything really nice together. Now I've taken, since this is Lasuni Palak, we're going to add a tadka of palak, of lasun or garlic. So I've taken about 12 large cloves of 12 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Okay, here I'm adding some salt. So I've taken about 12 small cloves of garlic, and I've chopped them really fine, or you can use about 5 large cloves of garlic and chop them really, really fine, like you'll see. Now I'm also going to add about a teaspoon of red chili powder to add a little bit of spiciness. And I'm going to mix all of this really well. So now our palak part is ready. All we have to do is add the tadka or the tempering of the fried garlic. So mix all of this really nicely. And then I'm going to use a small pan which I use to give the tempering or tadka or fodni, as you will see. So since we have already, cooked the palak, we don't need to cook the mixture really a lot, just about for 2 minutes at the most. And here I've got my tempering pan. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oil. Let the oil heat up really well. And then I'm going to add this chopped up garlic or lasun. Fry the lasun or the garlic really, really well till it turns to a little bit of a golden brown, and like you have a little golden brown tinge to it. Saute that really well. Do try out this dish, guys. This goes really well with some roti or some naan. And this way you can get some nice leafy vegetables in in your diet. So fry this lasoon or this garlic really well for almost like half a minute till you see that it starts turning a little golden brown on the edges. And once that is done, you're just going to add this lovely fried garlic along with the oil to our our palak, which is ready in the pan. So fry this really well. So you don't need to add any paneer cubes or anything else. It's just a simple yet delicious dish. So now you can see that the lasoon or the garlic has become a little on the browner side. It becomes nice and crispy. Keep it on a low to medium flame, otherwise it will get burned and that will not taste nice. So don't keep it on a high flame, but a low to medium flame, and fry it really well. And now I'm just going to add it to the palak that we just mix together with all the other ingredients. Mix this in really well, and that's it, guys. Your lasuni palak or your spinach with a lovely tempering of garlic is all ready to eat. It's super delicious, so do try out this recipe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.
I hope you like today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.